Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit Ankit Bhatia filter on your image using Lightroom Mobile and your videos using Premiere Pro. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light. Bring the exposure -0.10. Bring the contrast +20. Highlights -26. Shadows +44. Whites -54. Blacks -60. Go to Curve. Follow these settings. And go to Color. Bring the tint +10. Bring the tint +2. Vibrance +20. Saturation -40. Go to Color Mix. First go to Red color. And bring the luminance -100. Next go to Orange. Bring the hue -4. Saturation -10. Luminance +100. Go to Yellow. Bring the hue -42. Saturation -84. Luminance +10. Next go to Green. Bring the hue -20. Saturation -100. Go to Sky Blue. Bring the hue +90. Saturation -100. Luminance +10. Next go to Blue. Bring the hue -20. Saturation -70. Luminance -50. And done. Next go to Effects. Bring the Dehaze +30. Vintage -18. Go to Split Tone. Bring the hue +209. And saturation +27. For shadows. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe I Snap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.